Hello everyone, I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. Changed the name around a little bit because it sounds a lot better. It was Dollars Make Sense, now it's Success with Velvet. Okay, so I just want to say, before we get started, I want to say thank you to all of you guys that have subscribed to my channel. You guys have been with me. If you just now joined my channel or subscribed, welcome. But I'm talking about those of you that started with me when I first started out. And, thank you just for sticking it out with me. I appreciate you guys. And without further ado, for those of you that are new, welcome. I would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about Swagbucks. Now, remember, Swagbucks is a Get Paid To site, GPT. You get paid to watch videos, take surveys, you get paid to shop, you get paid to play games, and you get paid to search. You can do whatever routine you want on here and still get paid. You also get paid for a daily goal you do and referrals. Okay? Now, when I came on here last time, I think I made a video and I was at 301 Swagbucks. Now I'm at 501 Swagbucks, which means I'm able to cash out a $5 PayPal gift card. And I'm going to go to 600 Swagbucks so I can leave $1 in my balance here. So when I start over, I won't have to be starting over from 0 Swagbucks. I just would rather have some Swagbucks to work with. Okay? Now, what I recommend you do on here, you guys, like I said, you guys can do anything you want on here. If you like to shop, you can shop and get, Swagbucks. You can, upload receipts and get Swagbucks. You can upload your receipts on here. I think you have to download the Swagbucks app and then upload your receipts from the app. Take a picture receipt through the app and then upload it, and then you get your points. I think it's like two Swagbucks per receipt. I'm not sure if there's a limit. You'd have to watch a video on that. But you get paid to search. You get paid to watch videos. You get paid to shop. And what I do on here mainly, like I told you guys in the previous videos, I just mainly do the surveys and I do the Hideout TV. Okay? That's what I do on here. I watch videos and I do the surveys. And that's what works for me. That's how I was able to get to my Swagbucks on here, because I was doing the surveys. Now, at first, because there were so many surveys, I did not think that I would be able to cash out from it. But I ended up going up to, I believe it was 2,000 Swagbucks or 1,000 Swagbucks I had. And I cashed out at 700 Swagbucks because I found out that PayPal was doing a $5 PayPal gift card for 700 Swagbucks. And so I ended up cashing out my 700 Swagbucks that I had to get a $5 PayPal. Now they changed the PayPal to 500 Swagbucks. So basically you got to get 500 Swagbucks on here to get a $5 PayPal redemption. And I'm going to show you that right now. So for those of you that don't know, to redeem a $5 PayPal gift card with Swagbucks, it is no longer 700 points. It is now 500 points. 500 Swagbucks. So what you do is you come here to gift cards and you go $1 to $5. Now you can earn more on here. This is just me. For those of you that like the low amount, you just want to withdraw $1 or $5 or whatever. You can do that here with 500 Swagbucks for $5. You can redeem an Amazon gift card for $1, or 160 Swagbucks you can redeem $1 to Amazon. For 300 Swagbucks you can redeem a $3 gift card to Amazon. For 500 Swagbucks you can redeem a $5 gift card to Amazon. You guys can redeem anything between $1 to $5. Any of these gift cards between $1 to $5. Okay? Just remember that. So if you're trying to redeem between $1 to $5, you come here, click on gift cards between $1 to $5. If you want to go higher, you can. Okay? But I'm going to get to 600 Swagbucks, and then I'm going to redeem a $5 gift card, PayPal, for 500 Swagbucks. And once I receive that payment, I will come on here and make a payment proof video showing you guys that I received the $5 payment. But there's tons of other gift cards on here that you guys can redeem, and I will show you that right now. You don't necessarily have to redeem at 500 swag bucks. You can redeem higher. It just depends on how much you're trying to make. So you see here for $25 to PayPal, you got to get 2,500 swag bucks. And for $10 to PayPal, you got to get 1,000 swag bucks. Now, this is not hard to get to. You guys just have to come on here every single day and do the surveys and watch the videos. You have to be consistent on the site in order to get your points up, your swag bucks up. You know, for $50, you get 5,000 swag bucks. That's basically how it works. So, and for some reason, YouTube is not allowing me to leave this link in the description of my YouTube video because it's saying it's breaching the terms and conditions or whatever. So I've made a website. I'm going to leave the link to that website so you guys can come and you can sign up with Swagbucks there. So here's the website here, and if you guys are interested in any other sites that I've talked about, like Prize Rebel, you can find the video here. You can sign up with Prize Rebel here. If you like Survey Junkie, you can go to the website and sign up with Survey Junkie. If you like branded surveys, you can sign up with branded surveys. If you like Instant GC, you can sign up with Instant GC. And I have the Swagbucks link here. So I'll leave the link to this website here so you guys can browse and go through the videos and sign up to whichever site you like. But because Swagbucks is not, the link is not allowed, with me the link is not allowed on YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave this link to my website in the description below, and you guys can sign up with Swagbucks from there. That way we'll all be able to earn points in Swagbucks. But like I said, I've earned up to 501 Swagbucks because I've completed surveys, and it took like a week or two before they were able to send me my full Swagbuck amount. So I had 301 Swagbucks. Now I have 501, which means that's telling me I was able to earn 200 Swagbucks. Because that's how much I was supposed to earn to get to 500. So I was at 301 Swagbucks. Now I'm at 501. So I'm able to redeem a $5 gift card right now. I'm just gonna hold off and wait until I get to 600 points. So I just came on here to show you guys that. That's just showing you that I am able to redeem a $5 gift card right now for PayPal. I'm just going to wait till I get to 600 points. And when that happens, I will come back and make a pay and prove video. Like I said, you guys can do whatever routine you would like on this site. You can refer people and earn points. You can do the daily goal. You can watch. You can search. You can play games. And you can do the surveys. That's what I do. I do the surveys and I watch the videos. Hideout TV is the most popular one. Like I said, you guys can do whichever one that makes you the most points, okay? So I'm going to leave the link to my website below so you guys can go ahead and sign up for Swagbucks on that website. And like I said, I would like for you guys to let me know if that link works, because I don't know if anybody signed up with Swagbucks when I made the video about the website. But if you signed up from that website to Swagbucks, please leave me a comment in the description letting me know that it does work, because I want to make sure that you guys are able to sign up with Swagbucks through my link, and I don't want you guys having any issues signing up. So please leave a comment below. If you do sign up with Swagbucks through my website, let me know if it works so I can keep it the way it is, and that way you guys can sign up with Swagbucks. You guys can also sign up with Prize Rebel, Survey Junkie, Branded Surveys, and Instant GC. If I leave the link on my YouTube channel, Prize Rebel, Survey Junkie, Instant GC, and Branded Surveys do work. I don't have a Survey Junkie referral link, so I just left the link to the website itself so you guys can sign up that way. Okay, so I made that website for those of you that are trying to sign up with me under Swagbucks and you're not able to do it whenever I leave the link on my YouTube channel. So I left the link on my website, which I'm going to leave in the description below. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care, you guys.